Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment so changes are safe and reversible. First, save and close all work, then back up your prefs folder. This prevents accidental loss. Once done, locate the Maya Preferences folder for your version. On Windows, it's under Documents /Maya/version. Make sure you can open the files there with a plain text editor. Now launch Maya and open Settings or Preferences briefly to confirm the application reads that folder. This verifies your edits will apply when you finish. You now perform the edit. Close Maya again, then open the Preferences file, commonly user prefs. Mel or a pref script using your text editor. Locate the entry that defines username variables. Look for tokens such as username or user and change the string between quotes to your new display name. Save the file with the same encoding. And since you backed up earlier, you can restore the original quickly if anything looks wrong. Once saved, the change is staged. Next, you will restart Maya to apply it. Now restart Maya so the application reads your modified prefs. That's when the new username appears in the UI and in file metadata. You should inspect places that show user information, about dialog, file header metadata, and collaboration or render panels to confirm the change. If you don't see the update, make sure you edited the correct prefs file and that quotes and semicolons remain intact. Otherwise, restore your backup, repeat the edit carefully, and relaunch. That single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.